In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for discovering mobile game trends fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to see what the world is interested in at any given moment. When it comes to mobile games, knowing the trends can help you decide which games to focus on for content creation, marketing, or simply staying updated on the gaming world's shifting landscape. Let's get started by visiting Google Trends. Open up your web browser and enter Google Trends into the search bar. Hit enter and you should see a link to the Google Trends homepage appear right at the top of your search results. Click on this link to be taken to the main Google Trends interface. Once you're on the Google Trends page, you'll notice a variety of features, one of which is the Explore section. Click on the Explore tab, which will lead you to the heart of this tool, where you can start checking out trends pertinent to your interests. In the search bar provided, type in specific mobile game titles, such as Clash of Clans, Genshin Impact, or Subway Surfers. For broader insights, consider searching for genres like mobile battle royale or mobile puzzle games. After you've entered your search term, press Enter to generate results. Now that you have some data in front of you, it's time to apply smart filters to refine your search. At the top of the results page, you'll find options to adjust your location to either your target market or simply select worldwide for a broader perspective. Additionally, tweak the time range to suit your needs. Choosing the past 12 months can give you a snapshot of current trends, while selecting the past 5 years will show you long-term trends. Don't forget to set the category to video games to narrow down your data more specifically. Another feature you might find useful is the Compare capability. This allows you to analyze multiple games side by side, which can provide additional context and insights. Click on the plus Compare button to add 2 to 4 additional mobile game titles. Carefully watch the interest over time graph to spot which games are gaining popularity, which ones are on a decline, and whether there are any notable seasonal spikes. This information can be particularly helpful for event planning and understanding the dynamics of certain games over time. As you scroll further down, you'll see interest by region. This section highlights where each game is most popular, which can be incredibly advantageous for geo-targeted ad campaigns or to tailor local content. At the bottom of your search results, you'll find related topics and related queries. The Rising section here highlights popular trends such as new updates, popular characters, or intriguing collaborations, providing insights into what's currently catching people's attention. Meanwhile, the top section highlights steady, evergreen interests. You can use this data to create content or campaigns that align with what your audience is already exploring. Finally, base your strategic decisions on the data you've gathered. Prioritize games or genres displaying steady or increasing interest. Observe regional momentum, and pay attention to rising-related queries. Armed with these insights from Google Trends, you'll be ready to tackle the mobile gaming sphere with informed and strategic decisions. Happy exploring!